Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by assembling exactly what you will move. Pick the custom metadata type and the specific records. Once done, validate API names and include any dependencies like fields or record types. Now create an outbound change set in the source org and add components. Choose the custom metadata type and the specific custom metadata records. This first, move locks in what travels. Make sure to name the change set clearly and include a descriptive summary so recipients understand intent before deploying. Next, you complete the package by adding any related metadata that the records rely on. Fields, permission sets, and record type dependencies belong here. Then fill the change set description and version notes so reviewers see why these records matter. When ready, upload the change set to the target org and monitor processing status. If processing fails, the error will often indicate missing dependencies. Address those and re-upload. This stage ensures the target org receives a coherent set of items to apply. Finally, validate the change set in the target org to catch issues without committing changes, review any validation errors, and resolve missing dependencies or permission problems. Once validation passes, deploy during a low-usage window and monitor the deployment logs. After deployment, verify custom metadata records exist and reflect expected values. If something goes wrong, check API names, confirm related metadata was included, and verify field-level security and activation status. Fixing those usually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.